First start, live.
Engine no longer very bad.
No, now just normal 1.2 horrible.
Yeah.
After replacing the timing chain on this 162,000 mile Golf, this was the first start.
Took the box out. It's idle and lovely. So obviously we've got steering angle,
as long as you
sensor,
play
traction,
it,
all that on.
we're all
So we're
okay.
going to just take it out.
Like this,
That's great about this. It's okay. You're fine there. Just play there
Kids are being
where
monsters.
Stephanie's playing.
So we're going to go
You're all good.
left, right, left, and you see lights have gone out. TFR the engine bay, so we get rid of all the excess crap and gunk and everything, so that way we can see if we do have any leaks or any issues. While he's doing that, I'm gonna get the scanner. We're gonna do a DCC read, DCC clear, and then we'll check it out later on. So Matt's got my auto, so we're using Dave's launch today. So let's go that one. Decode in. Kids are watching me because they're like, what are you doing?
Hi! Hi!
Yeah, stay away from the chemicals, okay? So here we go. VW diagnostic. Dave scrubbing away. He's a good cleaner, is our Dave. So here we go. So that'll show you all the modules in the vehicle. So we're just going to do smart detection, see which ones it's got. And it's going to then scan all the ones this car has. As you can see, battery voltage, that's good as well. There you go. Now I'm expecting a lot to be ready here because obviously we've had battery off, we've had things unplugged, this and that. So
It's getting some of the nasty oil off. It's really, really bad.
oh yeah.
I said it's never the greatest idea to jet wash engine bays if you can get away with it.
Nope.
But do it with the engine running, keep the pressure down.
Yeah,
Don't
keep
aim
it
for
directly
fuse
away from the
boxes,
battery and the fuse box. Then.
ECUs, all that
Yeah,
kind of stuff.
and you'll be fine.
So, do a quick high-speed scan. It's had a good test drive. It's had a couple of miles, some country roads, some high speed. The engine control, basically what we're concerned in, is good. Everything else on the comfort, so that'll be it. It's had like an upgraded head unit and stuff, so I'm not too concerned with anything on here. So climate control, it's got no AC gas. Bulbs, it's got the LED bulbs, so it can't tell the fitted. Left rear door control module, no signal, no communication. That's a bit of a worry. I'm not being paid for that job. Antenna, radio and rear view camera system, that because it's had an upgraded system. Apart from that, that's all happy. Give it a clear anyway, but jobbed.
For a 162,000 mile engine, that's what I call a result. We've saved it.
Also, clutch very bad.
Very, very bad.
Next video, we tackle that.